The African savanna stretches out under a vast sky. It is a land of golden grasslands, dotted with acacia trees. This is the home of the African elephant, the largest land animal on Earth. These magnificent creatures roam across this landscape, their presence shaping the world around them. From the moment they are born, African elephants captivate our imagination. Their size is awe-inspiring, their intelligence remarkable. As we journey into their world, we will uncover the secrets of their lives. We will explore their habitat, their social structures, and the challenges they face in a changing world. Come along and let us discover the wonders of these gentle giants. African elephants are found in a variety of habitats across the African continent. They roam freely in savannas, grasslands, and forests. These habitats offer them the resources they need to survive. Savannas are characterized by vast grasslands interspersed with scattered trees. These grasslands provide elephants with an abundance of food. They spend a large portion of their day grazing on grasses. The scattered trees offer shade from the scorching sun. Forests, on the other hand, provide a different kind of environment. They offer denser vegetation and a variety of fruits and leaves. These areas become particularly important during the dry season. During these times, food and water become scarcer in the open savannas. The life of an African elephant is a constant cycle of searching for food and water. Their days are long, dictated by the rising and setting of the sun. As the first rays of dawn break, elephants begin their day by moving towards grazing areas. They use their powerful trunks to gather large quantities of grass. Their tusks, elongated incisor teeth, are used for digging for roots and stripping bark from trees. Elephants are herbivores, meaning their diet consists entirely of plants. An adult elephant can consume hundreds of pounds of vegetation in a single day. Water is crucial for their survival, especially in the hot savanna climate. Elephants are excellent swimmers and can often be found wading in rivers and lakes. They use their trunks to drink large quantities of water, sometimes spraying it over their bodies to cool down. African elephants are highly social animals, living in tightly knit family groups called herds. These herds are led by the oldest and most experienced female, the matriarch. She is the heart and soul of the herd, guiding her family with wisdom and knowledge. The matriarch is responsible for making important decisions for the herd. She decides where they will travel, when they will feed, and where they will rest. Her experience is invaluable in leading the herd to the best sources of food and water, especially during times of drought. Herds typically consist of related females and their young offspring. The bond between these females is incredibly strong, and they work together to raise and protect the calves. These close-knit families ensure the survival of the young and the continuation of the herd. Section 5. Little Trunks Raising a Giant. The arrival of a new calf is a joyous occasion for the entire elephant herd. The calves, weighing around 200 pounds at birth, are completely dependent on their mothers and other females in the herd for the first few years of their lives. The bond between a mother and her calf is incredibly strong. The mother provides her calf with milk, protection, and guidance. She teaches her calf essential life skills, such as how to use its trunk, how to find food, and how to navigate their environment. Other females in the herd, known as alamoms, also play an important role in raising the calves. They help to care for the calves, providing them with milk and protecting them from danger. This communal approach to child rearing ensures that the calves receive the best possible start in life. Section 6. Guardians of the herd roles within the family. Within an elephant herd, each member plays a vital role. The matriarch, with her wisdom and experience, leads the way. The other adult females share the responsibility of raising and protecting the young. Adult males, on the other hand, typically leave the herd when they reach adolescence. They may live solitary lives or form loose bachelor groups. While they are not directly involved in raising calves, they still play an important role in elephant society. Males compete for dominance and mating opportunities. This competition ensures that only the strongest and healthiest males pass on their genes. Their presence also provides protection for the herds from potential threats. Section 7. A world in danger: threats to elephants. Despite their size and strength, African elephants face numerous threats in the 21st century. These threats have led to a decline in elephant populations, putting their future at risk. One of the most pressing threats is poaching. Elephants are targeted for their ivory tusks, which are illegally traded in some parts of the world. This cruel and senseless act has had a devastating impact on elephant populations. Another major threat is habitat loss. As human populations grow and expand, elephant habitats are being lost to agriculture, mining, and infrastructure development. This fragmentation of their habitat makes it increasingly difficult for elephants to find food, water, and suitable breeding grounds. Section 8. A fight for survival: protecting our elephants. The future of African elephants depends on our collective efforts to protect them. Conservationists, governments, and local communities are working tirelessly to address the threats facing elephants and ensure their survival for generations to come. Anti-poaching efforts are being intensified, with rangers patrolling protected areas to deter poachers and protect elephants. These efforts often involve the use of advanced technology, such as drones and tracking devices, to monitor elephant movements and identify poaching hotspots. Community-based conservation programs are also playing a crucial role. These programs engage local communities in conservation efforts, providing them with alternative livelihoods that are not dependent on poaching or wildlife exploitation.